Hey guys, it's Gabe from Total Detailing. So I took my dad's VW CC to the car wash today because it hasn't moved in God knows how long, and it needed to be washed, and I hadn't gotten to it because I live a state and a half away. And I paid for the top tier that the car wash offers without an appointment, which was with the mats was right around 40 bucks, which is a basic, wash, triple foam, tires, glass, and a complete armor all. So I'm gonna go around the car right now and show you what a $40 car wash gets you. Let's not forget undercarriage damage from the actual car wash.